to measure the size of a TV screen, you measure the diagonal angle. So first I'm going to draw a picture of a TV. There's my diagonal, and it tells me that it's a 52-inch TV. So that diagonal, I know, is 52 inches, and the TV is 20 inches tall. So I can come and label this. And now I have a right triangle, and I have an opportunity for me to use the Pythagorean theorem, and it asks me to find the base. So I'm going to be solving for a leg. So Pythagorean theorem is going to look like this. 20 squared plus b squared, because we're solving for the missing leg, equals 52 squared, because that's the hypotenuse. So you're going to subtract 20 squared from both sides to get b squared by itself. So b squared is equal. So all I did in my calculator was 52 squared minus 20 squared, and it gave me an answer of 2304. And I don't have b by itself yet. I see that b is being squared, so I'm going to do the opposite of that, and I'm going to take the square root. And then when I do that, I get 48, and that's measured in inches. That's our missing length. Number 9 is asking you to find the perimeter of a triangle. So if I have a perimeter, or if I have a triangle here, and I know that I have a point here, a point here, and a point here, that they're all given, and I need to find the perimeter. I know the perimeter is when I add up all my sides, but I don't know the length of my sides. So if I don't know the length of my sides, then I need to be doing something with the distance formula. And you need to find the distance between here to here, here to here, and here to here, and you do that by using the distance formula 3 times. You're going to do the distance formula first by using these 2 points. Then you're going to do the distance formula again by using these 2 points. And then you're going to do the distance formula one more time with these 3 points, or those 2 points. So you're going to do it 3 times, and then you're going to add all of your distances up. I've done the work for you here, but you can see for this one right here, I took these 2 points here, and I came up with a distance there. And then I used these 2 points in red, and I came up with the distance here. And then I used the first one and the last one here to come up with the third distance. And then I added 6.3, 8.9, and 6.3 together, and that gave me a final answer of 21.5, and that is the perimeter of the triangle. Question 10 tells me that I have a circle, and it has a diameter with endpoints of 2, 5, and -4, 1. So we've got 2 points, and it wants to know the center point, and that's really asking us to find the midpoint. So our midpoint is when we take our x's together and divide it by 2, and then take our y's, divide it by 2, and it'll give us a point within that. I have an x of 2 and -4, so 2 plus -4. Whoa, 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 whoa. 2 plus -4 divided by 2. And I'm also going to look at my y's. 5 plus -1 divided by 2. And -2 plus -4 is -2. So -2 divided by 2 is going to give me -1 as my first point. And then 5 plus -1 here gives me 4. And 4 divided by 2 is going to give me 2. So the midpoint is at -1, 2.